Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is the buildings topic. Basically that is the Oxford University basically group says that basically we have created 7 lakh buildings for the English language basically in Mumbai. I am just talking about the Mumbai city because this project basically that is 12,000 project basically which discussion basically which is ongoing, that is in basically the Mumbai city, that is in 3 lakhs 50,000 buildings. So just see basically previously basically just to do the discussion basically there was no issue, nothing basically was there, but now see that discussion, see basically the conflict basically which is happening, see the things basically which is happening basically. So one of the person told that yes basically if heart attack will happen then who will be responsible? If the person basically is very dangerous person basically and if he will get heart attack then basically he will finish the entire Mumbai basically. Then into the yes here basically you are correct basically. He might finish the entire Mumbai only basically. Then unnecessary due to this software company basically the entire Mumbai will get in trouble basically. But the more thing basically is what basically whenever they basically finish the discussion and then basically they comes out from the computer software company basically, that time more problem basically occurs basically, more problem occurs. Why? Reason is this basically, power supply data basically, that is the CRM data basically. Example basically I had taken CRM idea basically, then he told that yes. So one of the person told that for that basically there is only one option, that is the infrastructure basically has to be maintained in balancing basically. Gujarati language infrastructure should be according to that Gujarati group basically is going to enter. Malayali language basically infrastructure basically like would be like in this many percentage basically. So I will take one example. English, Hindi. In Hindi basically UP, Bihar everything basically come. Malayali, then Tamil, then Odisha, then Marathi language, then basically others, Bengali also will take, and others, or Parsi language. And others basically. This is languages. Just see how dangerous thing basically. This is basically not done basically. That is 100% sure. Mostly basically might be done also because if the normal person basically can think up to that language, percentage basically of infrastructure basically. This is done. Now the companies, softwares, others. Assume that basically 7 lakh basically will take. Everywhere basically 7 lakh basically will take. So the person basically who are basically into the Mumbai blood cells, basically the doctor of the Mumbai blood cells, basically he basically handles this everything basically. So this is basically done. Then basically the percentage of infrastructure is done. Then the here basically we will take projects, basically you can say as a projects, basically 13,000 projects of software. Here basically I will take 30,000 projects of software and 30,000 others. So same basically everywhere basically. So like this basically the creation basically is done, right? Basically like this basically the creation basically is done. So on the base of this everything basically, here basically I'm just talking about the software companies only. The other companies are also basically there. On the base of this the projects are given. So here basically one thing was Sanskrit, basically I forget, because this is the main. On the base of this projects given to Mumbai City software companies. So on the base of this basically the Mumbai City gets the software companies basically. So projects. So the people basically who gets the projects, who basically gives the project, they only basically filters this basically. That is, what is that? That is this. This basically the filters, and this basically are filtered by this group basically. That are basically the business development officer only basically. Business development officers, that are businessmen of software energies, because this only basically can be done by software energies only. That are basically the ONGC, IPCL, Reliance and IOC and basically AIMS Oxygen basically. So this is basically done by that group basically. So this is the basically thing basically. This group basically do that basically. So they basically do on the base of certain level of combination of data basically. That is the combination of data basically. So what is that combination of data? That we will discuss later on.